Now here's a really easy salad, and it's called tabbouleh. It's a Middle Eastern favorite made of bulgur wheat with chopped tomatoes, onions, parsley, mint, olive oil, and lemon juice. And it is a healthy and simple salad to make. So to start, you plump the tabbouleh. This is the bulgur, and just cover it with hot water, like that. And let it sit until all the water is absorbed into the bulgur. And bulgur cooks quickly, as you can see, and it has a persistent chewiness. So now, here's some bulgur that has been soaked for 10 minutes in hot water, and drain it. Let's see. There may be a little bit of excess liquid here. So drain it in a strainer like this. This wonderful tabbouleh is served everywhere in the Middle East, as sandwiches and pita breads, as a salad. So just shake out all the excess liquid. My mom used to stuff cabbage with this. It was very good. And because it has a wheat germ, which is the very center of the wheat berry, it should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator or in your freezer. So there, we've gotten that little tiny bit of moisture out. This can now be put into a big mixing bowl in which we're going to toss our salad. Now, it's the preparation really of all the other ingredients that might actually take a little bit of time. 10 minutes to plump the bulgur, and then maybe a few minutes to chop 2 medium tomatoes. You can seed the tomatoes if you like, and just chop them into 1/4-inch pieces. Now already, doesn't that look pretty? Cucumber, 1 long cucumber, seeds removed. This is a crunchy, delicious, flavorful salad. It's so amazing. 1 cup of scallions, the green and white part of the scallions, and again, finely, finely chopped. Smelling fresher and fresher. Oh, and this, you have to have at least 1 cup of parsley. Seems like a lot, but actually I don't think you can have enough parsley in a salad like this. And mint, 1/2 cup of chopped mint. Fresh, beautiful mint. There's lots of different kinds of mint, so some of them are way too strong for salads. So taste the mint. I think the spearmint is a lot better than the strong, strong peppermint. And now don't put any of these things in the food processor. This should be a hand-chopped salad. It will look better, it will taste better. I think that's fine enough. Get that right in. And now for the lemon juice. Add the juice of 2 lemons. These are giant lemons. I should probably be having a larger squeezer. The lemon juice keeps all the herbs and tomatoes as fresh as can be. And now add 1/3 cup of very tasty olive oil. Now, doesn't that look good? Add some salt and pepper. Black pepper is good. And in a matter of minutes, you have a wonderful fresh salad, beautiful, shiny, glistening, and very tasty. It's very delicious.